Hi guys! So for today's video I'm doing something completely different, and excuse the sweat, it's still pretty hot outside today. I'm in Bangkok and one of you guys requested on Instagram that I do a tour of a foreign grocery store. More than getting into foreign Sephoras, I get excited about coming to 7-Elevens in Bangkok, at least the area where we are. You can find a new 7-Eleven literally at every corner, like no exaggeration, and they stock a whole list of things, little bit of beauty, little bit of snacks, little bit of drink. They have ice cream and so many things in relatively small shops. So today I am going to try and take you on a little tour in this 7-Eleven right here, and I'm going to hope that I don't get kicked out because I haven't asked for permission or anything, but they don't have any rules against videography, so let us see how this goes. Over there you can see all of the pet stuff. There's cat dry and wet food and all sorts of treats, and this is all of the soap powder, quite a lot of detergent. The beauty and personal care aisles, so there's toothpaste, there's shampoo, conditioner, stuff like that. A lot of brands we're familiar with as well as some totally new brands. This looks really interesting. It's a one-time use face mask in powder form, so I'm gonna get this today. Here's the hair color. There's some interesting Japanese Kit Kat here, so we're gonna try the new pink one. This is the famous green tea one. We've already tried this. Some different gummies. The sauces for cooking and seasoning. A lot of bread, and I find that Bangkok bread has its own unique flavor, and some preserved fruits such as tamarind and stuff that we even get at home in Bombay. Just dried fruits, dried strawberries. Here's all the coffee and the cereals. We even have Milo here in Bangkok, because I used to have Milo during my childhood in India, but it's not there anymore. This is a cereal, and this is a Milo cereal bar. I've already bought this, but I haven't tried it yet. Oh, I want this. I used to hate drinking Milo when I was small, but now I miss it. I want this. We're gonna put it in. Here are some taro fish snack. I've tried this in my Thai snack tasting video. I'll link it on the eye if you'd like to see it. It's dried fish and I didn't like it. I think it's just an acquired taste. There are so many different varieties. And here are some other fish snacks also, but taro is the most famous. Here's bento fish snack. I guess this is octopus. And here are some biscuits. Lots of instant noodles. So most of that's Mama brand at the bottom. And these are all Thai. But on the top here you can see that these are Korean noodles. You can make out from the script. Plus they're a bit more expensive. Lots of varieties. And some of these are supposedly really spicy. So these are the packs. But over here we have the cups and the bowls. That shaped bowl must mean it's soup, and these are just noodles. These are easier to make if you have access to just a kettle. Just pour the water inside. This cup noodle brand, the Nissin ones we get in India also, but it's much cheaper here and you get an insane variety. In India it's more expensive and the variety is not so great, although they've been improving recently and bringing new flavors. And at the bottom, Nor brand, this is called Jok. This is quite tasty. This is a porridge made of powdered rice, and if you don't like strong flavors, this is good. So some of it's seafood, there's a shrimp, there's chicken, there's pork, lots of flavors. And lots of pocky and pretz. So pocky is sweet, pretz is savory. They're made by the same brand and they're just biscuit sticks. So this will be like a pork mince flavored. These are sweet, so there'll be banana and chocolate, strawberry, chocolate, cookies and cream, and matcha. Quite a good variety. Ooh, Cologne matcha. I've not tried this. Cologne tastes really nice in ice cream. And Sakura. Lovely. Limited edition. I think I should pick up some Sakura flavored something. Hit the mother load, guys. Prawn crackers. These are so delicious. It is super light and they have a sort of a shrimp flavor. I've tried Calbee brand before. It's really good. But I'm willing to take a bet that all of these are super nice. And there really are so many chips here. There's lots of interesting Lay's flavors also. Going to try this one today. I guess it's spicy shrimp. Sometimes even when the flavor is not written in English, you can guess by the picture. What does it say? Grilled squid seaweed. Nice. There are some of the interesting Lays available here. There's ham and cheese sandwich Lays. This 2-in-1 Lays. This looks cool. There's also this hot chili squid flavor, which I think I also bought but haven't tried yet. Different sodas and colas. More variety than at home. So this green one is something called cream soda. I didn't like it, but it's a really different taste. Our favorites are the strawberry one and the grape one, because these are flavors that are both not really available in India. But I think we have grape one in the room, right?
The big one.
So we're good for today. So this is EST brand and this is Fanta brand. All of the Japanese green tea flavors. These are not going to be so sweet. But if you're more health minded, you can try these out. I've had them before. They're not very tasty, but they are definitely much healthier than sodas. There's really so much to choose from. Like, I'm not even kidding. So much. Do you see that there? That's very similar to Red Bull, but it's like Thai Red Bull. I forgot what it's called. It has its own different name. So here and here, that's like Thai Red Bull. And it tastes pretty similar. Corner there, you can actually like buy tea or coffee and make it right there, which is very nice if you're on the go. And this is some more cold stuff. All frozen meals. Pick up an ice cream. I really wanted to try this because it's limited edition and it looks like the Instagram logo. And I love me some ice cream sandwiches. I'm enjoying my ice cream sandwich. Oh, it's very cold. What did I expect? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was something very different. We didn't get kicked out. We got to buy our stuff. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fashion, travel and beauty videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.